In VMware Blockchain for Ethereum version 1.8, we are introducing a new feature called permissioning, which allows for enterprises to govern a blockchain network. The blockchain operator, or sometimes a separate permission admin, will now have the ability to grant read, write, and or deploy permissions to accounts on the blockchain network. For example, one of the accounts on the blockchain network desires to deploy a smart contract. Before he can do so, he needs to be granted a deploy permission from the blockchain operator or permissioning admin. Once the permission is granted, he will be able to deploy a smart contract. Once the smart contract is deployed and the network is up and running, their clients and users can be joining the network. So in this example, user one wants to be able to mint and transfer tokens on the network, and user number two wants to be able to receive and be able to read balance of that transfer. So in order to do this, the operator or the permission admin needs to grant write permissions for user one to mint, and then write permissions for user one to transfer, whereas the node or the permission admin needs to grant user two read permissions in order to be check his balance on the blockchain network. So in conclusion, in VMware Blockchain for Ethereum version 1.8, we are introducing a new feature called permissioning that allows for blockchain operators or permission admin to govern the blockchain network using permissioning.